Hello students, welcome you to Malika Maths and Physics tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss the key answers of Science SSLC Annual Examination Question Paper 2021. So let's start. So the question number 41. The device that works on the principle of electromagnetic induction is electric generator. Next question number 42. An electric lamp whose resistance is 30 ohms and a conductor of 6 ohm resistance are connected in series to 9 volt battery as shown in the figure. The total current flowing in the circuit is. So very easy question, very easy problem. So here you have to use Ohm's law, which is given by I is equal to V divided by R. So here V is 9 volt and R is R1 plus R2, that is 30 plus 6. So which is equal to 9 divided by 36 is equal to 1 by 4, which is equal to 0.25 ampere. So option C is the right answer. Next question number 43. The inner wall of the solar cooker is painted black because this absorbs more heat. We all know that black color absorbs more heat. That's why in summer season it is recommended to not to wear black clothes. Next question number 44. The metal used in filament of an electric bulb is tungsten. Question number 45. A rectangular coil of copper wire is rotated in a magnetic field. The direction of the induced current changes once in each half revolution. Question number 46. The focal length of a lens is plus 0.50 meter. The power of the lens and type are plus 2.0 D and convex lens. Plus sign indicates convex lens. Next question number 47. A device used to change the resistance in the electric circuit is rheostat. Question number 48. The magnetic field lines inside a solenoid are in the form of parallel straight lines. The reason for this is the magnetic field inside the solenoid is uniform. Next question number 49. The nature and the size of the image formed when an object is kept between the principal focus f1 and optical center O of a convex lens are virtual, erect and enlarged. Question number 50. The device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy is electric motor. Question number 51. Ohm is the SI unit of resistance. Next question number 52. Observe the following material medium refractive index. In one column material medium is given, in another column refractive index of that material is given. So in which material medium the speed of light is very high? We know that refractive index and speed of light is inversely proportional to each other. So here the material medium S has less refractive index, therefore the speed of light is more in material medium S because they are inversely proportional. Refractive index is less in S, therefore the speed of light is more in that material medium. So right option is option C. Question number 53. The source of energy in nuclear power reactor is controlled nuclear fission chain reaction. 54. One property of a convex lens among the following is that it is thinner at the edges and thicker at the middle. Almost model question paper questions are given. Easy paper. Definitely you will score a good marks. All the best for your result. So question number 55. A compound that reacts with both acids as well as bases to produce salts and water is aluminium oxide. Next question number 56. The structural formula of propanol is. So option C, it is the structural formula of propanol. Next question number 57. Properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. This law was proposed by Henry Moseley. Next question number 58. Observe the following chemical reactions. Fe plus CuSO4 give rise to FeSO4 plus Cu. Next Zn plus FeSO4 give rise to ZnSO4 plus Fe. The decreasing order of reactivity of the metal in the above reaction is zinc greater than iron, which is greater than copper. So next question number 59. The atomic number of an element is 20. In the modern periodic table, this element belongs to the period 4. Next question number 60. The number of single bonds and double bonds present in a structure of benzene is. Most repeated questions. 993. When you see the structural formula of benzene molecule, you can notice that there are 9 single bonds and 3 double bonds. Question number 61. The gas liberated when sodium carbonate reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid is carbon dioxide gas. Question number 62. The major component of compressed natural gas is methane. Next question number 63. The substance that converts blue litmus paper into red color is gastric juice. Among this following, the right option is option D, gastric juice. Next question number 64. The process used to convert sulfide ores of metals into their oxide is roasting. Question number 65. The common molecular formula of both hexene and cyclohexane is C6H12. Question number 66. An acid present in the stinging hair of nettle plant leaves is methanoic acid. Question number 67. The hormone that regulates carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism in the human body is thyroxine. Question number 68. A pot that has growing seedling is kept in a dark room. A burning candle is placed near it for a few days. The top part of the seedling bends towards the light of burning candle. This is phototropism. Question number 69. The correct statement with respect to biodegradable substances among the following. Option A. These substances undergo recycling naturally in the environment. Biodegradable substances undergo recycling naturally in the environment. Question number 70. The correct sequence found in the process of sexual reproduction in a flower is first pollination, next fertilization, after that embryo, after that it converts into seed. Next question number 71. Saving electricity by switching off unnecessary work of light and fan is an example of reduce. We have to save energy. Question number 72. If a round green seeded pea plant capital R or small yy is crossed with wrinkled yellow seeded pea plant, small R or capital YY. The seeds produced in F1 generation are round and yellow. Question number 73. Homologous organs have same structure and perform different functions. They have same structure but they perform the different functions. Question number 74. The blood vessels that carry blood from all parts of the human body to the heart are veins. Question number 75. Plants can get rid of excess of water by this process. The process is transpiration. Question number 76. The gap between two neurons is synapse. Question number 77. The embryo gets nutrition from the mother's blood with the help of a special part called placenta. Question number 78. The common passage for both sperm and urine in human male reproductive system is urethra. Question number 17. Which one of the following is not the advantage of water harvesting structures? Option C. Providing breeding grounds for mosquitoes is not the advantage of water harvesting structure. And the remaining are the advantages of water harvesting structures among these following. Next question number 80. The experiences of an individual during its lifetime cannot be passed on to its progeny because they are acquired traits. Thank you.